How to write the different sets of information within the same parentheses as per the APA 7th edition? Which of the following sentence is written according to the APA style of writing? First, a survey done in 2023 on AI researchers revealed that more than a third of researchers believe that there is at least a 10% chance that advanced AI can lead to outcomes as bad as human extinction. Now, in this parentheses, two sets of information are given. First is the sample size, that is, n is equal to 2,778. And second is the citation, that is, Harari 2024. These two sets of information are separated using a comma. Now the second sentence is the same, with only difference that in the parentheses, these two sets of information have been separated using a semicolon. And in the third sentence, in the parentheses, these two sets of information have been separated using a colon. Now just pause and think as to which punctuation should be used to separate different sets of information when written in the same parentheses. So the correct answer is the second sentence, in which the semicolon is used. As per the APA style of writing, a semicolon is used to separate different sets of information within the same parentheses. Okay, understood? Thanks for watching, and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. If you want to learn more about the nuances of APA 7th edition, then visit scholars-help.com. The link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching and happy learning!